What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Texas Outdoorsmen. I'm out here with Clayton today. He's headed to the feeder to go spray some Tink 69, and we're gonna have a non-traditional deer hunt today. We've got the truck set up at 100 yards, the mobile deer blind, as some of you know it. We got the feeder down here. Big Buck's been coming in. Well, he came in last night for the first time, so we put out some protein. I'll insert his picture right here so you can see him. The plan is Clayton's gonna sit here in his seat. I'm gonna sit in the back seat and have the camera, and we're gonna pinch him out the side of the window of the Chevrolet. Y'all stick with us. We'll see y'all when the deer come in.
Music.
I'm talking about he is a
smoke city, son. Holy crap.
Is he down?
Is he down?
Dude.
There's another bigger one right there.
No way. All right, guys, so that kind of turned out backwards. Clayton shot the one that was a little bit smaller, and we thought he was the big one. He wasn't. Big one walks out. Oh man, I can't tell you how good of a friend Clayton is to me, because I just shot a freaking stud. Y'all stick with us. We're gonna recover them, and we'll see y'all in a second.